Laura and I first met over 8 years ago in Melbourne. With Laura, there was a connection between us right from the start. We bonded over our love of memes, dogs, and cheesy R&B music. After a few weeks, I finally mustered up the courage to ask Laura on a date, and we've been together ever since. The truth is, even back then, that early on, I knew that you were the one. After a blissful first few months together, I made the decision to return to Ireland to help out at home. We said we would wait for each other, and it was tough for the both of us, but our love for each other never faltered.
Guests will tell me she looks beautiful, and I kind of look at them and I say, well, I suppose so, but she's looked beautiful to me for 36 years, and I can't complain about that. She's very capable, independent and loyal, and as the old saying goes, this apple fell very far from my tree.
Laura, I would like to welcome you into the family. I'd be honoured to call you a daughter-in-law. John, sure, how can we say, we're proud the way the man you turned out. And sure, not only you, son, but you're our best friend.
We've done long distance from Australia to Dublin, Dublin to Clare, all in between. But he's been with me through thick and thin. He's literally the best thing in my life. This day has been amazing. My best friend, my home, my forever.
Anyone that knows me well knows that I'm not the best at public speaking. A few years back, I said a prayer of the faithful at my friend's wedding, and the whole church laughed at me. Laura, I just want to say today how much I appreciate you and all the sacrifices you made over the years. Whether it was moving back from Australia or now relocating to the Scanner, you've always done your utmost to help maintain and strengthen our relationship, and I want you to know just how grateful I am. I love you very much, and I cannot wait to see what the future holds for us, and there is no one I would rather have by my side in life.